Hello everyone! For this video, we will learn how to cook chicken halang halang. Before we start cooking, prepare the following. Put a small amount of oil in a pan, and when it is hot, saute the garlic, onions, and ginger. After, add the chicken and stir it. After a while, add salt and pepper. Then also, add soy sauce and a little bit of vinegar. Then stir it. Cover it and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir it occasionally. When there is no more water, add the sili espada, then the sibuyas dahonan or spring onions. Tada! Chicken halang halang is now ready. Serve it and enjoy!